Have you ever wondered why some women with modest incomes seem to have so much peace about money? Meet Naomi. Naomi wasn't rich. She worked a regular job, earned an average salary, and still had bills to pay every month. But unlike many people around her, she wasn't constantly stressed about money. One day, a friend asked, "How do you stay so calm when your salary isn't that high?" Naomi smiled and said, "I learned that being a good steward is more important than looking successful." That mindset was inspired by a Japanese tradition called Kakeibo, a simple method of budgeting that encourages people to spend with intention instead of emotion. Every payday, Naomi sat down with her notebook and asked herself 4 simple questions. How much has God entrusted to me? How much should I save? Where is my money going? And does this purchase honor God or simply satisfy a temporary desire? Those questions changed everything. She stopped buying things just to keep up with social media. She stopped comparing herself to other women. Instead, she prayed before making major purchases, planned her spending carefully, and trusted God to multiply what she managed faithfully. She remembered the words of Jesus in Luke 16 verse 10. Whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much. Slowly, her financial life began to change. Not because she suddenly earned more, but because she became faithful with what she already had. She built an emergency fund. She gave generously. She avoided unnecessary debt. And she found something even more valuable than a growing bank account. She found peace. As Christian women, wealth isn't just about having more money. It's about becoming faithful stewards of every blessing God places in our hands. Financial wisdom gives us the freedom to bless others, support God's work, care for our families, and answer His calling without being controlled by debt or fear. So before your next purchase, ask yourself, this decision reflect the woman of faith God is shaping me to become? Remember, Proverbs tells us that the wise store up choice food and olive oil, but fools gulp theirs down. True riches begin with wisdom. They grow through faithful stewardship, and they flourish when we put God first. If this message encouraged you, share it with another Christian woman who needs the reminder that faithfulness, not a high salary, is the foundation of lasting financial freedom.